Automated live stream engagement tools create authentic, real-time interactions. They help your stream rank higher, make it more engaging, and attract a wider audience. Hello everyone. Today I will introduce a professional live stream engagement solution designed to generate natural, human-like interactions. For your YouTube live streams, this approach drives higher engagement, builds credibility, and creates a more dynamic viewing experience. To achieve this, multiple verified Gmail accounts are used, each acting as an active viewer in your live stream to generate authentic engagement. Now let me show you an example by reviewing a random YouTuber's live stream. Notice how this live stream has comments, but very few truly add energy to the stream, encourage subscriptions, or motivate viewers to support the creator. Step 1. Copy the link of the live stream you want to optimize. This will be used in the engagement platform. Step 2. Open the software. Select the seeding function and choose Seeding Livestream. In the Enter Livestream link field, paste the link you copied earlier. Step 3. Configure the type of interactions you want, such as likes and meaningful comments. Step 4. In the comments section, write the comments you want to display, one per line. You can also generate comments with AI tools. Paste them into the folder and save with Ctrl+S. Step 5. Select your Gmail account list. Press Load to display them and check the accounts you need. Then press Start. The software will now control dozens, or even hundreds, of accounts to actively engage with your live stream. As you can see, the seeded comments are now active in the live stream. This creates excitement, builds momentum, and sparks curiosity among viewers. Furthermore, when your live stream has consistent engagement, YouTube's algorithm recognizes it as valuable content and pushes it into recommendations. This significantly increases your chances of going viral and reaching a larger audience. If you are interested in this solution, please contact me today to gain access.